Assalamu alaikum viewer. If you are facing this problem, white page problem or engine cable connection issue or wireless cable connection issue, you give the command. It takes only one command and it prints the white page. So let's give the command. Here you will see the problem, wireless cable connection, same problem. Then it will go into the ready state. You can check the model number. It doesn't matter what is the model number, but here you can see that LaserJet Pro M402DW printer and HP printer. So this problem is occurred in any type of HP model. So here you can see that it's just the problem is same. Contact HP service, press OK, cable connection issue. After that it will go into the ready state, but if you give the command, let's check, give the command. When you give the command, it prints only one page and then it shows the printing documents. I have given the command and you can see that wireless connection issue, printing document, it's printing the white page. Here you can see that nothing is on the page, only the drum moves, but the page is white, completely white. And now the status is changed into the printing document, but it doesn't print now. It doesn't working. So what is the problem? Let's check the problem and how you can solve this problem.